Hey guys, welcome back to Winning Brains. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the Ivy cube without using any algorithms. Okay, so before we start in the video, I highly recommend you guys to once have an Ivy cube in your hand and just know how it turns, because that's very important for this tutorial, and it's gonna be a lot fun and it's very easy to solve cube. And today I'm gonna show you how to solve it without algorithms, so that's even better. Okay, so its turning is somewhat like this cube, like it turns only its corners and all that. Okay, but anyways, so we have the first scrambled cube over here. So now we can see here that in one face there are three parts. Okay, there's one huge this eye shaped thing in the center and two corners. Okay, so what we have to do is at first we have to focus on these two corners. Okay, so we pick a side, we choose white. Okay, we're gonna go with white, and then we have to get two of these corners on the same face. Okay, like this. Okay, so sometimes we might get cases like one is on top and other is perpendicular on down. Okay, so what we do is we can just turn that and then put that up this way. Okay, so getting this is really simple. And now what we do is we get this the other white piece also on top. How we do that is we get it over here like this, connect it to one of the corners, and then this one we can just move it forward, turn it once and get it back. Okay, so I'll scramble it once again to show it again in a easier way. So here we see this, we turn this first and connect it this way. Now we see this one is over here, I connect it to this one over here. Then I see this corner, I just put this front, turn it and get it at the back. Okay, so here we might also get a case like this where we have the white down. So here what we do is we just turn this place. Okay, so we see that we can turn this without any problem because it's not gonna disturb this part. So if it's down, we just turn once and get it over here. From here it's the normal thing which I said. Okay, so the next thing is we keep the white facing bottom, and then we do the exact same thing with the yellow. Okay, so this is not hard at all. So we see one is already at the top, we can get this one up like this, one turn, and we can do the same thing how we got the yellow, how we got the white. Okay, so first get this on top to connect it, and then turn the cube little, how I told you to do the white, that way, put it up, turn it and get it back. Okay, so here we have done the yellow and the white without disturbing anything. Okay, so it's a little confusing at first because you might think that if we do yellow the white might get broken, but that's not at all. Okay, so I do it once again, scrambled, first connect this way, join these two like this, move it away, turn it, get it back. Then time for the yellow, we get this on top and we see that these two are joined, so we are lucky. Or if you want, I'll show it without that also. We put this up, then we put the other one up, then we see that we have to get this on top. So what we do, first we connect this, then switch parts, away, turn, get it back. Okay, so till here the things were really easy, and this is the part which is little difficult. Just joking, this is the easiest part. Okay, so after doing this, we keep both the solved side at the right and left. Okay, any sides, and then what we do is we can see here there are 1, 2 and 3 centerpieces which need to be permuted. Okay, so what we do is there can sometimes be 4, but that does not matter at all. Okay, so here what we do is we see that 1, 2, 3, the center one is this piece, we keep that facing on top, and then we do this easy thing, 4 steps. We see that these two are getting connected, this red has to come here, this is the center, so we face it towards the top, and then we do this, so that this gets connected. 180-degree turn once, twice. Then we see here there's this green and this green, so we connect it this way. So now the green is also connected. Now again do another 180-degree turn, get it back down. So at first we had got this up, so now we get it down, another 180-degree turn, and we get this down. Okay, so the cube is solved. Okay, so I'll show it to you once again. So here we see 1, 2 and 3. The center is this one, so we keep that facing towards the top. We see that this green has to come here. So what I do, I get this on top, 2 turns 180 degrees. See, these two have to get connected. Again, get this on top. Again 2 turns, get this down. 2 turns, get this down. Okay, so there we go. We have solved the IV cube. And sometimes when you get the 4 uh, unsolved pieces which have to go, you can just repeat the same thing twice and the cube is gonna be solved. So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to like it, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want any more videos, don't forget to comment down in the comment section below. You can follow me on Instagram. Insta handle will be given in the description down below. Go and subscribe me also. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll meet you guys on the next one.